This is Axo. She is on an essential mission to fight the biggest villain to have hit planet Earth in decades, and she needs your help. She wants to take part in the race to develop a vaccine that could help combat the global health crisis we are facing. So grab your mask and let's get to work. First, let's learn about the science behind a vaccine. A vaccine works by training your immune system to fight off disease. When viruses enter the body, they attack and multiply. The coronavirus uses spike proteins on its surface to lock onto human cells. Once the virus enters the cells use the virus's RNA, a code carrying instructions for the synthesis of viral proteins to create more viruses. The immune system has many tools to fight off such invasions. Immune cells such as macrophages, B lymphocytes, and T lymphocytes attack germs and work to defend the body. After fighting off an infection, the body remembers how to fight off the same invasion in the future and can protect itself. Vaccines imitate an infection to give the immune system the tools to fight it off without actually getting sick. Researchers working to develop a vaccine are taking many different approaches. A whole virus vaccine uses weakened or dead forms of the virus. A virus is weakened by being passed through animal or human cells until it mutates and is unable to cause disease. Other scientists are exploring the possibilities of nucleic acid vaccines. These vaccines work by inserting DNA or RNA, forms of genetic instructions, into human cells. These instructions are used to create copies of the virus protein. When the body is already familiar with the viral protein, it can fight off the virus if it attacks. Protein-based vaccines take a similar approach by directly injecting viral proteins into the body. Virus-like particles that mimic the structure of the outer coat of the coronavirus but do not contain genetic material and are not infectious may be used in these vaccines. In addition to vaccines, there are many other ways to stop the spread of the virus. COVID is a droplet infection, meaning it travels in small drops that spread when you speak or exhale. Wearing masks and maintaining adequate distance also prevents droplets from traveling from person to person. However, some droplets are small enough to behave as an airborne illness and may remain in the air for prolonged periods of time. Limiting social interaction to outdoors is extremely helpful in stopping the spread because these particles do not linger in the air. The coronavirus may be a vicious villain, but it is no match for brains and smart behavior.